boys continue to sail the seas. After being found by an RAF flying boat, more survivors of the torpedoed city of Benares reached port aboard a warship. They had been 8 days in an open boat, 46 people, of whom 6 were boys, one a slight casualty, as you'll see. The youngsters were marvellously looked after by one of the escorts, Miss Cornish, a London music teacher. She massaged their limbs to keep the circulation going in the bitter cold. She told them stories to keep them cheerful. In fact, she did a magnificent job. That the boys are none the worse for their adventure seems to be proved by this bedtime picture. And after resting, what a story there is to write home about before actually going home. Over a year of war, and a very mechanized war at that, yet the horse